Hello friends, this is Andipan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have learned a number of important operations we can perform on a Python list. So today, continuing that part, we are going to learn various built-in methods that we can perform with a Python list. Now, these methods can also be used with other data types like tuples, dictionaries, sets, but as we have a good knowledge about the lists, and as the list being the most used sequential data type in Python, most of the time we use the methods with a list. So that's why today I am going to show them taking list as an example. So without any further ado, let's get started. So, to start with the methods, let's make a sample list of numbers like nums equals, and inside the square brackets 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 6, 10, 20, 15, 12. So, the first method that can be applied on a list is number 1, min. So it returns an item from the list with minimum value. So if I want to print the minimum value of the nums list, I have to do it like this: print, then min of nums. So that's give me the minimum number, that is 1. So number 2, max of list. So it returns an item from the list with maximum value. So if I want to print the maximum value of the nums list, I have to do it like this: print max of nums. So remember, we have to pass the list as a parameter to the methods. So it gives me the maximum number, that is 20. Now number 3, len of list. It gives the length of the list. So if I want to print the length of the list nums, I have to do it like this: print and then len inside parenthesis nums. So it will print the length of the list nums, that is 10. Now number 4, list of any sequential data type. So it converts any sequence into a list. So if I want to convert a string into a list of characters, we can do something like this: s equals hello. So s is a string, and then I want to convert it into a list of characters. So I have to do it like this: print and then list of s. So you can see it converts the string into a list of characters. Now number 5, sum. It gives the sum of all the elements in the list. So if I have to calculate the sum of the list nums, I have to do it like this: print sum and inside parenthesis nums. So that will print the sum of the numbers, that is 80. There are more such built-in methods, but we will cover them as we go through the series. So that's all for today. Hope you will learn something from this video. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.